Hello guys, it is One Watch Cooking here, and today I'm going to be making some dough baked cookies. So before the video starts, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so get your pot. You're going to need a pretty big one, and then you're going to put in half a cup of butter, which is one whole stick, and then 2 cups of granulated sugar. So here you're going to put in half a cup of milk. So right here you're going to add 4 tablespoons of cooking cocoa powder. Now you're just going to mix it all together on high heat and wait till it boils while mixing. This is after just a little bit of mixing, and as you can see there's still a little bit of butter in it. After it starts to boil, add 3 cups of oats. After adding your oats, add half a cup of peanut butter. Now just add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed that video. The last shot, like the second to last shot, kind of got a little messed up. But these things right here are so good. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you will come back next time. Bye.